Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the music in an Instagram post. So let's begin. First of all, open the Instagram application. Here on the bottom right, click on this profile icon. Now go to the post where you want to change your music. So click on this three dot icon. But there's no such option as editing music in this post option. So the best way is deleting this post and adding a new music again. So first of all, delete this post, then create a new post. Select the photo again, and change the music that you like. Click on the stick icon, tap on next, and hit share. So this is the way how you change the music in an Instagram post. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps.